Tutorial
Hi
time.
everyone, so I'm going to be doing an edit on this gorgeous model that we have here. We are going to be doing some color grading
in GIMP.
and as well as removing of blemishes and skin discolorations, pimples and so on in this program called GIMP. Right, so we have our photo imported into GIMP. The first thing that I'm going to do is to duplicate the image, and we do that by clicking this icon here. So now that we have duplicated the image, notice that there are actually two layers. The first layer is the original, and the layer on top is what we are going to be working on. All right, I'm going to press the plus sign on my keyboard right here. And as you can see, the image is enlarged. If I press minus, it will go down a little bit, but plus, right? And we see some littles right here. Skin, it's not a discoloration, but we're going to clear that up a little bit. Right, so let's come out a little bit here. And if we look across here, you will see, let me go across, there we go. Right, this little, we're gonna remove that as well. All right, so notice that the model's skin is just a little bit on the red side, most probably because of this red background. So we are going to do a color balance. To do a color balance, all we do is we go to colors and we go to auto white balance. All right, there we go, and now the model has the natural skin tone. Let's look at the before, red, and let's look at after, natural skin coloration. Next, we are going to remove all of the skin blemishes here. So we do that by going to the healing tool over here. All right, and now that we have the healing tool, we are actually going to cover those skin blemishes. We do that by sampling an area of skin here. All right, so let's look at before and let's look at after.
Follow my YouTube
Great,
channel
and all
for
the skin
more.
colorations are gone, including that pimple that was on the side.